we have Bitcoin crash in progress. I'm making this video at 6:37 a.m. Friday, January 21st, Central Time, that is. Let's zoom out to the entire cycle. If you watch my videos, you know I talk a lot about the last Friday every month, which is represented here by this vertical blue line. Of the 13 times since this cycle started, it has dumped down. Now it looks to be 12 out of 13 times. The one time it didn't was here. It still could reverse and pump back up, but I've been watching this behavior for a long time, and this looks like it's going to dump. I've been talking about this. It could still turn around, but I've been talking about this 41,000 white horizontal line here as support. I've been talking about how if it goes down here and starts closing daily candles, it's not going to be good for the bulls because it's going to have a hard time getting back up through here, right? This whole cycle, there's clearly been what I call a layer cake. Got this top layer here around 41,000 or so, right? And then in here from like 41 to 30, in between the white line and pink line, 41 to 30, and then below we've got the bottom layer cake. I don't expect it to come below 30,000. It does appear to me likely that we could be coming down to touch 30,000 here in the next few days. Keep this video short. I want to explain the same things over and over to my regular viewers, but we've got this market cycle basically playing out. And let me just pull that up real quick. Market cycle psychology. We're about right here in denial, right? You have all those big time YouTubers talking about how wonderful everything's been. And actually, if you look back at the chart, we're down. Bitcoin's down for last 12-month period. Bitcoin is in the red, right? January 8th, 2021. Bitcoin was at 42,000. Now we're more than a year later, and Bitcoin's under 38,000. So obviously there's some hype squad mentality out there affecting people, probably really hurting a lot of people. You may not want to believe that we're here, but that's where we're at, right? Denial. No, those big YouTubers can't be wrong. It's, Bitcoin's, it's amazing. It's taking over the world. There's no way. No. Well, we're probably diving down to 30,000. The good news is, and this I've been talking about for a while, is we'll get into the bear market. I don't even think it's going to be a bear market through here. I think the bottom of this panic level here is probably that pink line on my chart at about 30,000. It's probably where this bottoms out, maybe 28, 29. It could turn around and have another big glorious pump in the second quarter of 2022. It might go back up to 60, but I still think this is basically, we're playing out a market cycle. And then over here on the right, in a couple of years, we'll start another giant parabolic push, and that's probably when Bitcoin will finally go over 100K. But that's just speculation. But what do I got to say? Oh yeah, the good part is this is where, a couple weeks ago I said this is where start dollar cost averaging in now. Now's a good time to start dollar cost averaging. If you have $365, start investing $1 a day, right? That's just historically been the best way to do this for Bitcoin. Now's a good time because we're probably entering what I call the Platypus Market. It's not a bull market. Clearly not a bull market. Bitcoin's down about 4 or 5% from 12 months ago. So I do apologize if those big YouTubers out there have led you to believe that this isn't happening when clearly it is. Anyways, now's a good time to start dollar cost averaging because, in the next halving cycle, there will be another big parabolic push, right? But barring another push in the second quarter of this 2022, we're basically going to start doing the bear market deal, which I call the platypus market because I don't think it's actually a bear market either. In between, I'm just calling it the platypus. You heard the platypus market first here on Bitcoin Street. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.